So guys, I was absolutely surprised about your reactions on my recent videos where I show you the indicators on TradingView, because it's not the same with the basic indicators like RSI and MACD that exist on every platform, because there you can find a custom indicators that a lot of the traders around the world is making every day. So you were texting me in the comments that, Lisa, can you show us more and why nobody is talking about this? So today I decided to show you something really cool, because 90% I think of the traders doesn't even know about this one. So a little spoiler is gonna be the indicator that called UT boat alerts. So this isn't just another RSI or modified MACD. This is the indicator that thinks like an experienced trader and catch the signals that others completely miss. Because right now we will open up the chart and practice in real time. So get comfortable and get ready to see something that could completely change your approach to trading. So guys, let's get started. For today, we need two platforms, TradingView and Pocket Option. On the TradingView, we will have our indicator and we will analyze it. After, we will go to Pocket Option to open a trade. So now we go to the TradingView, go to indicators and text here, UT boat alerts. Here this one with 26K of users. So, and here it is. We'll literally see what kind of signal we need to open, buy or sell. So after, I will also explain you how this indicator works. So now we have the time frame of the candles of 1 minute, but sometimes we can change time frame to 5 minutes just to analyze the same currency pair differently. But yeah, because for now, for example, here is a sell signal based on 5-minute time frames. But let's get back to 1 minute, and here's a signal buy, as you can see. So yes, all depends on the time frame and time of the expiration that you choose. Time frame of the candles here is M1, but let's change the time of the expiration to 2 minutes and open here a sell trade. I opened it for $1, so today is also going to be a boosting of the balance video. So I hope everything is going to be fine and this kind of the experiment is going to end successfully. But you probably have a question, what is this indicator? So I'm going to clarify it. So it's the indicator that gives you clear buy and sell signals directly on the chart. So you'll see a green buy label when it's past a potential upward move, and will sell when it expects a drop. So here is no complicated setups like 5 indicators at the same time and everything, just signals that you can follow right away. But here I need to tell you something. You need to understand that no indicator is giving you 100% profitable trades. So it's pretty bad idea to blindly follow just one indicator that you use. You at the same time need to know all of the basics of technical analysis, support and resistance levels, also candlestick patterns and more to analyze the chart properly. Because if it would be that easy that you just use, one indicator and open trades based on that because it's giving you already signals, of course it's not working like that, because if it would, everyone will use that. So by the way, just a few seconds till the end. It's 3, 2, 1, and we closed it in the plus, even though it was kind of close. It was fluctuating a lot, but we made it. So now let's find some other assets, for example Australian and Canadian dollar. So here on the time frame of M1 we have a signal to buy. Let's change it to 5 minutes to check. Here we have signal to sell. Oh, here's a sell again. So let's change the assets, and here we open a sell trade as I said on the indicator. But at the same time, yeah, we can see that before it was a downward trend, then some short upward movement, it achieved this resistance level and now start reversing in a downward direction. We also can see a big upper wick on the first red candle here next to the resistance level, so showing us that the buyers were trying to break this level but they couldn't, so that's why it's reversing right now in the downward direction. So how does this indicator works? So behind the scene, the indicator uses things like price direction change, also volatility, and even moving average. But you don't see all of this price direction change, volatility, moving averages, and more. The indicator is analyzing all of this and giving you a ready signal. That's pretty cool thing. So basically it feels when the market is shifting and signals signals you to enter a trade. But I really recommend you to use it for a short trades, time frame of aim1 to aim5 maximum, because it could change pretty quickly and it's pretty sensitive indicator as well. That's working better on the short-term trades. So now it's 5 seconds bit away till the end of a trade. 3, 2, 1, and we close it in the plus. Perfect. Okay, so let's change our amount of money per trade. Let's check it out, the other currency pair. Okay, let's find it here as well. It's Swiss franc and Japanese yen. Here is giving us a sell signal. Okay, let's change it to 1 minute. Open here, sell signal. Perfect. So this indicator reacts pretty quickly to price changes, first of all. Also, on aim1 to aim5 time frame, it helps you catch momentum trades, But to make it even more reliable, I suggest, first of all, filtering signals with the trend. So you just need to check the overall direction, and also you can use extra confirmation like RSI, for example, or support resistance levels, because this helps you avoid falls entries. And guys, for those who's watching this video right now and thinking, oh my god, I didn't even learn the basic indicators as RSI, MACD, moving average, I still didn't get it, and boom, here's already a new indicators on some TradingView, the custom one. What is even that? But don't worry guys, there's always a solution, and in this case it is my Telegram channel. The link, by the way, in the most safest place in the description of this video, so you can check it out, everything there, because it's a lot of the free and useful information about trading that a lot of people selling for money, and I'm just giving it for free. So go check it out, because now I have there more than 150,000 of subscribers, so it's pretty good community to also motivate each other. If you have any problems, you can always ask me and some other people to help you with that. So you subscribe and we continue. So guys, we just have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we close the trade in a plus. Okay, perfect. Now we have $7 on the balance, and we still have a long way to achieve a better result. So let's change the amount of money. We actually don't have a space for a mistake here, so we need to be really careful. Let's find the other asset. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Here is giving us a sell signal, we can see, and it makes sense actually. Let's check it out in the time frame F5. It's also a sell signal here, just to confirm. So we open here a sell signal for 1 minute. We also can see that it went even higher than the previous resistance level, now start reversing pretty confidently, so it makes sense here to open a sell trade. But how to use UT-Bot in your trading? So here is a kind of simple approach. First of all, you open, for example, Euro/USD on the 1 or 5 minute time frame, for example. Then you need to wait for a signal from the UT-Bot. So when you see buy, you consider going for a call. If you see sell, consider a put, of course. Also, I recommend avoid entering on huge candles, because it's a better wait for a small pullback. So that's how you're gonna have a better entry points. By the way, it's just a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. We're pretty confidently close the trade. Wow. So it's kind of surprisingly good. We change our amount of money and go to another currency pair. Australian dollar and Japanese yen. Let's find it. But of course, we trade on aim1, so we're gonna open here sell trade for 1 minute, because on this kind of the time frame, for 1 minute, it's definitely gonna be a downward price movement. And yeah, I recommend to open the trades here for 1 or 2 minutes, because that's how you can get this kind of the fast price movement, and you will make the profit on that. But also, here's the things to keep in mind, that UT-Bot is not a magic button as well as all of the other indicators. So it works well when you use it smartly, of course. So you don't trade against the trend, I already said about that. You filter the signals as well, and you don't enter blindly on every alert. You read the candles. So guys, let me know in the comments if you want the video about the candlestick patterns. So I think it's a pretty good topic. And we have just a few seconds till the end. So it's 3, 2, 1, and we close the trade in the plus. Okay, perfect. We have $25 already. Let's change our amount of money per trade. And for example, euro and Japanese yen. Why not? So here it is. Here it is. Ooh, pretty interesting. So it broke the previous support level. Now it's going lower. So here's definitely a sell signal. So we open it for 1 minute. Well, I hope the downward trend will continue here. It's not going to be any reversal or something. It could be after this kind of the strong actually downward movement, but let's risk a little bit. If you're a beginner, this kind of the indicator can be great visual guide, but I really recommend to add 1 or 2 filters, for example RSI or MACD or support resistance levels or moving averages, for example, so you can build a solid short-term strategy. By the way, it's just 3 seconds till the end of a trade as well. 2, 1, and we confidently close it. It's working pretty great. Wow, surprising me. We changed the amount of money per trade, and let's change to another currency pair. Maybe we can find something here. Okay, euro and Australian dollar, not that bad. Okay, I'm looking for that. Here it is. It's giving us a sell signal. It broke the previous support level. Here's also the sell signal. Okay, so it's pretty confident. So I really recommend you to check it on 2 time frames as I do. So here we open a sell trade as well. And you know, guys, many traders don't even think about this, but the difference between built-in indicators in the platform as we have, for example, it's also pretty good, like the moving averages, the MACD, the RSI is the basics that every trader needs to know how to use. Because built-in indicators, for example, in the pocket option, I also love them, for example, as classic RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, moving averages, but everything is standard, and maybe it would be not that interesting for the people that pretty long time in trading and they want to try something more. So TradingView is kind of a good option. So it's 1 second, we close the trade in the plus, and we gonna find another currency pair. For example, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's check it out in the 5 minutes. Here it's giving a buy signal. So we're gonna hear a buy signal for 1 minute. Okay, perfect. But guys, don't think that I'm doing a promotion on TradingView or something. Yes, I also have there my indicator, but this indicator, for example, I just found by myself absolutely randomly, and I'm like, okay, I need to share it with the guys because it's so cool, and it's not like a super trend, for example, on the pocket option and the standard indicators. And I also made so many videos with the strategy with the different mix of the indicators that built in the platform of pocket option or the others. So, you know, I already feel like I want something different to show you, something more useful, more modern, you know, more effective. So why not? I think it's pretty good. So there is on TradingView 1,000 of custom indicators created by traders from all around the world. So it's 3, 2, 1, and we close it in a plus again. Okay, perfect. Now we have already 180. Okay, that's gonna be more faster right now. Let's change the currency pair. Okay, British pound sterling and Swiss franc. Oh, here's definitely giving a clear buy signal on 1 minute time frame. What is on 5 minutes? Also buy signal. Okay, so we're gonna follow the trend and open here buy trade for 1 minute. So yeah, so new developments appear every day there that use unique algorithms as well and mathematical models. Even also in standard platforms, you get RSI with a period of 14. You can change it to, for example, period of 5, and you can change the color. But on TradingView, every indicator is an entire ecosystem of settings. So if you want an RSI that takes volume also into account, okay, no problem. Or for example, you need the MACD with additional volatility filters. Easy. Now guys, but it was 3 seconds, 2, 1, and we close it in the plus as well. Okay, nice. So let's change amount of money per trade and find some other currency pair because I want to show you as much examples as possible. Okay, Euro USD, yeah, we were trading here, but now the situation can change a little bit. Okay, it's giving us a clear buy signal. Oh, on the 5 minute time frame, it's a sell signal. Pretty interesting, but before it already achieved the support level. I'm kind of scared to open here trade, but let's open here a sell trade for 1 minute, guys. Because yeah, let's change it to M5 time frame because it kind of looked different. So yeah, we can see that it achieved the resistance level on the time frame of M5. Also, built-in indicators work on the principle of one indicator, one function. But On TradingView, there are indicators that combine 5 or 10 different algorithms. So, for example, UT-Bot alert that we use right now uses elements of trend indicators, oscillators, and volatility all at once. So that's why it's pretty nice, right? Now we have, guys, by the way, 5 seconds as we want it. We get here the reversal in the downward direction. We close the trade confidently in the plus here. And let's open here not a sell trade for 1 minute, because now it's reversing in the downward direction. It should achieve at least the previous support level, so it's pretty good. Also, creators of custom indicators on TradingView constantly improve them, fix bugs, for example, add new features, while built-in indicators in broker platforms can remain unchanged for years. And of course, I'm not saying that the built-in indicators on the pocket option, even for example, is bad. Of course not, because it's the basic. I use them every day. But at the same time, of course, guys, I'm not saying, again, that built-in indicators is bad. It's just the basics. They're just pretty obvious already. I trading with them for a few years, and I already tried so many strategies that I already didn't know what to make the videos about, because I tried everything and show you everything. So I think this is pretty cool new thing that you can also use, because there's so many indicators, and every day I'm finding there's something new, so it's kind of nice. So now, guys, we have 6 seconds till the end of a trade. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we close the trade in a plus. Okay, perfect. So I'm pretty surprising how this indicator is really easy to read. Like, you don't even need to analyze it. You just need to, after, like, analyze support, resistance levels, candlestick patterns, but I already do it automatically, and that's it. It's pretty effective. I'm really happy, and I didn't expect that, because I just tried it a few times and learned more about this before the video. But it's also something new. So guys, let me know in the comments if you want more videos about the TradingView indicators, the custom one that you probably didn't see anywhere else, because for me it's kind of interesting topic, and I'm gonna learn more and more about that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because here I post so many free information about trading, guys, and I will see you on the next trading session. Bye bye.